Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. I am Anjana from LearnoHub, the free learning platform where you can study math, science and SST absolutely free at learnohub.com. In today's class, we are going to discuss ICSE Class 10 Maths Chapter 17 Circles. We have studied all the concepts. We will be solving questions from exercise 17C. Hope you all are ready with your pen and papers. Let's start. Here we have the first problem, question 1 of exercise 17C. In the given circle with diameter AB, find the value of x. Here we have a figure. In this figure, it is given that AB is the diameter. We have to find the value of x. Here we have x. What else is given? The measure of angle ACD is given. We have given angle ACD is equal to 30 degrees. Okay. From this figure, it is clear that ACD will be equal to ABD. We have studied all concepts. You remember them? Yes. Why is ACD equal to ABD? Because they are subtended by the same arc AD. We will be having angle ACD equal to angle ABD. The reason is angles subtended by same arc are equal. Okay. Therefore, we will be having the measure ABD. Angle ABD is equal to 30 degrees. Okay. Now, in order to find x, what else is required? If I am considering this triangle ABD, consider triangle ABD. We know the measure of angle ABD. ABD is equal to 30 degrees. What about angle ADB? Given that AB is the diameter of circle. So, diameter subtends an angle of 90 degree. Yes, angle in a semicircle will be equal to 90 degree. ADB is an angle in semicircle. Therefore, its measure should be 90 degree or it should be a right angle. ADB is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. What is the reason? Angle in a semicircle. Okay. Now we are having angle ADB plus angle ABD plus angle BAD is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Now put the values. What is the value of ADB? ADB is 90 degrees. 90 degree plus ABD. ABD we have determined ABD is equal to 30 degrees because ABD is equal to ACD. 30 degrees plus BAD. BAD is this angle which we have to determine and that is x. X is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. 90 plus 30 we get 120 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Then the value of x is equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees and that is equal to 60 degree. We get x, angle x is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, we have determined the value of x. Clear? What are the concepts that we have used here? Here, first we have used the concept that ACD and ABD are equal because they are subtended by the same arc. Then we had a diameter AB. The angle subtended by diameter will be 90 degree. Taking the sum of this angle and subtracting from 180 degree, we get the measure of x and x is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, let's move on to the second problem, question number 6 of exercise 17C. In the figure, angle DBC is equal to 58 degrees. DB is the diameter of the circle. Calculate BDC, this angle. Then BEC, BEC, this angle, and BAC. BAC is this angle. What is given? DBC is given. DBC. The measure of DBC is 58 degrees. Okay. Given angle DBC is equal to 58 degrees. Also given that BD is the diameter. BD is diameter of the circle. Okay. First thing we have to find this angle BDC. Where do we have BDC? This is BDC. How to find BDC? BDC is a part of triangle BCD. Okay. Let us consider triangle BCD. Okay. We will be having the sum of the angles of a triangle, interior angles of a triangle 180 degree. Angle BCD plus angle DBC plus angle BDC will be equal to 180 degree. Okay. We don't know the value of BCD. How to find the value of BCD? BCD is an angle that is subtended by the diameter BD. And we know angle subtended by diameter will always be equal to 90 degrees. So, this angle will be 90 degree. What is the reason? Angle BCD equal to 90 degree. Reason? Angle subtended by a diameter or angle in a semicircle. Okay. Diameter brings us two semicircles. So, this is an angle that belongs to a semicircle. Now, we can put the values. Yes. BCD we have found is 90 degree plus DBC. DBC is given which is 58 degrees. 58 degrees plus angle BDC will be equal to 180 degree. We need to find the value of BDC. BDC plus 90 plus 58 degree, we get 148 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Then BDC, angle BDC equal to 180 degree minus 148 degree, that is equal to 32 degrees. Okay. BDC we have determined is 32 degrees. Now the second part, we have to find angle BEC. Where do we have BEC? This is BEC. For finding BEC, consider the cyclic quadrilateral BDCE. What is cyclic quadrilateral? If the quadrilateral vertices touches points on the circle. All the vertices of the quadrilateral touches the points on circle, then it is a cyclic quadrilateral. For a cyclic quadrilateral, we have angles opposite when taken and the sum of these angles will be 180 degrees. Okay. Consider cyclic quadrilateral BDCE. Okay. Angle BDC plus angle BEC will be equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degrees. Okay. Now put the values. What is BDC? BDC we have determined is 32 degrees. 32 degree plus angle BEC is equal to 180 degree, which implies angle BEC equal to 180 degree minus 32 degrees. What is 180 degree minus 32 degrees? We get 148 degrees. Okay. This angle is equal to 148 degrees. Okay. Now the third part. The third part, what we have to find? We have to find the measure of angle BAC. BAC. What is BAC? BAC will be equal to BDC. Yes. BAC is equal to BDC. What is the reason? Angles subtended by the same arc. Angles subtended by same arc are equal. Then what is the value of BAC is equal to BDC, then angle BAC is equal to 32 degrees. Okay, angle BAC is equal to 32 degrees. 32 degrees. Clear? We have determined angle BDC equal to 32 degrees, BEC is equal to 148 degrees, and BAC is also equal to 32 degrees. Clear? Next, problem number 3, question 12 of exercise 17C. In the given figure, AB is the diameter of the circle with center O. If angle ADC is equal to 32 degree, find angle BOC. Given angle ADC is equal to 32 degree, we need to find angle BOC. ADC is 32 degree and we have to find BOC, this measure. Okay, how to find BOC? Since ADC is given, we can easily find AOC. Yes, angle AOC will be equal to 2 times angle ADC. What is the reason? Angle subtended at the center will be twice the angle subtended at any point on the circumference of circle by the same arc or the same chord. Here AC is a chord, okay? Or we can take the arc AC. AC subtends angle AOC, this angle at the center, and ADC on the circumference of circle. Therefore, we will be having AOC is equal to 2 times ADC. Then what is the value of AOC? Angle AOC is equal to 2 into 32 degrees. What is the reason? Angles subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended on the circumference. Okay, so we will be getting angle AOC is equal to 64 degrees. AOC, 2 into 32 degree, 64 degrees. Okay, how is AOC and BOC related? BA is the diameter and it is a straight line. Yes. For a straight line, we will be having the angles on straight line, sum when taken will be equal to 180 degrees. That is angle BOC plus angle AOC equal to 180 degree. We call it linear pair. Linear pair. Sum of angles on a straight line will be equal to 180 degrees. Okay, put the value BOC. We have to find BOC plus AOC we have determined as 64 degrees. 64 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, BOC is equal to 180 degree minus 64 degrees. What is the final answer? We will be getting 116 degrees. Angle BOC is equal to 116 degrees. We have used two ideas. One is the angle at the center is double the angle on the circumference of circle, and the second, the idea of linear pairs. Okay. Using this, we have determined the value of BOC, angle BOC. Okay. Next, problem number 4, question 18 of exercise 17C. In cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, AD is equal to BC, angle BAC is equal to 30 degrees, and angle CBD is equal to 70 degrees. We have to find BCD, angle BCD. This is BCD, this angle. Then BCA, this small angle. Then ABC is this angle. And we have to find ADC, this angle. Okay. Now, to find first BCD. Okay. Here we have BCD. BCD is an angle in the cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. Considering the cyclic quadrilateral, we know that the sum of opposite angles will be equal to 180 degree. Here, BAD and BCD are the opposite angles. If we know the measure of BAD, we can find the measure of BCD by subtracting BAD from 180 degrees. Okay. Now, how to find BAD? Here, when you consider this arc CD subtends angles CBD and CAD on the circumference of circle. Therefore, their measure will be equal. Angle CBD will be equal to angle CAD. What is the reason? Angles subtended by same chord are equal. Okay. Therefore, we will be getting angle CAD is equal to 70 degrees. Now, if this angle is 70 degree, what is BAD? Angle BAD. Angle BAD is the sum of angle BAC and angle DAC. Okay. BAC, it is given in the question 30 degrees plus DAC we have determined 70 degrees. 70 degree, that is equal to 30 plus 70, 100 degrees. So, we are getting this angle BAD equal to 100 degrees. Okay. This total angle BAD is 100 degrees. We know that angle BAD plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. That is sum of opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Okay. You have to give the reason. Now, put the value. BAD we have determined is 100 degree plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree and angle BCD will be equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. 180 degree minus 100 degree equal to 80 degrees. So, this measure BCD is 80 degrees. Okay. Now, the second question we need to find angle BCA. This is BCA. Okay. We know the big angle BCD. Yes. So, on subtracting ACD from BCD, we will be getting this angle BCA. For that, we have to first find ACD. Yes. Here, I can write angle ACD is equal to angle BDC. What is the reason? It is given in the question that AD and BC are equal. AD is equal to BC. If two sides are equal, then the angle opposite to the sides will also be equal. Opposite to AD, we have ACD. And opposite to BC, we have BDC. Okay. Now, when you consider this chord AB, AB subtends an angle ADB and ACB. Okay, the measure of these two angles will be equal. Angle ADB will be equal to angle ACB, or angle ACB is equal to angle ADB. What is the reason? Angles subtended by same chord. Angles subtended by same chord are equal. Okay. Now, here we have 1 and this is 2. Adding these two, we get angle ACD plus angle ACB in the left hand side, and right hand side angle BDC plus angle ADB. Okay. What is ACD plus ACB? ACD, ACB. On adding, we will be getting this total angle BCD. Angle BCD is equal to BDC. BDC. Here we have BDC. ADB. This angle. So, we will be getting this big angle ADC. Angle ADC. Okay. We have already determined BCD. The value of BCD is equal to 80 degree. Therefore, ADC will also be equal to 80 degree. Yes. ADC will be equal to 80 degrees. Now, we have ACD equal to BDC. We need the value of ACD. For that, if we get the value of BDC, we'll get the value of ACD. Okay. This BDC angle, this angle is a part of triangle BDC. So, now consider this triangle BDC. Consider triangle BDC. We are going to find the value of angle BDC. We will be having angle BDC plus angle DBC plus angle BCD equal to 180 degree. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay. Now put the values BDC. BDC. We have to find angle BDC plus DBC. DBC is given in the question, which is 70 degree, and BCD. BCD we have determined it is 80 degree equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Therefore, angle BDC plus 70 plus 80 we get 150 degree equal to 180 degree, and angle BDC is equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree, which is equal to 30 degree. BDC, this angle is 30 degree. If this angle is equal to 30 degree, then ACD, this part, will also be equal to 30 degree. Here we have angle ACD is equal to angle BDC. What is the reason? They are angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay. Now we got angle ACD is equal to 30 degree. We have angle BCD equal to angle BCA plus angle ACD. Okay. We need the value of BCA, right? What is BCA then? Angle BCA is equal to angle BCD minus angle ACD. Put the values BCD. BCD, the total angle is 80 degree. 80 degree minus ACD, which we have determined, is 30 degrees. You will be getting 50 degree. Okay. BCA. This part is 50 degrees. Clear? Next, the third part, we have to find angle ABC. Consider triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, we know the measure of BAC and BCA. We can find ABC then. Yes. Angle BAC plus angle BCA plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree. BAC is 30 degrees. BCA is equal to 50 degree plus 50 degree plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree. 30 plus 50 we get 80 degree plus angle ABC equal to 180 degree. Angle ABC will be equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree, and that is equal to 100 degrees. Okay. We get 100 degrees. Angle ABC, this one, is 100 degrees. Now we have to find angle ADC. Fourth one, angle ADC. What is the measure of angle ADC? ADC, we have already determined the value of ADC. Here, already we have ABC. Okay, using that also we can find, that is angle ABC plus angle ADC will be equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Sum of opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degrees. Now ABC is 100 degrees plus ADC we have to find. Angle ADC will be equal to 180 degree. Angle ADC is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree, that is equal to 80 degrees. Okay, 80 degrees is the measure of angle ADC. ADC is equal to 80 degrees. Okay, so you have to understand all the steps that we have used here. Okay, it is a lengthy question. We had to determine 4 angles. You should have all the ideas, that is sum of interior angles, then opposite angle sum of a cyclic quadrilateral, then we'll be having angles that is opposite to equal sides. All these ideas should be there, only then you can solve this question. Next, problem number 5, question 19 of exercise 17C. In the given figure, angle ACE is equal to 43 degrees and angle CAF is equal to 62 degrees. Find the values of A, B and C. When you look at this figure, you have 3 angles A, B and C which we have to determine. Given angle CAE is 62 degrees and ACE is equal to 43 degrees. So, the first part we have to find A. How to find A? This angle A. To find A, we will be considering the triangle ACE. Consider triangle ACE. Okay, 2 angles are given. We can find the value of this, and this angle is related to A. Yes, how? Because this is a cyclic quadrilateral. AEDB is a cyclic quadrilateral. We know the sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to 180 degrees. So, if you get the value of this, we can find the value of A. Now, to find the value of this angle, we will consider the triangle ACE. Okay, in triangle ACE, we will be having angle ACE plus angle CAE plus angle CEA is equal to 180 degrees. Now put the values. CAE is 62 degrees plus ACE is given, which is 43 degrees plus angle CEA is equal to 180 degrees. 43 plus 62 we get 105 degree plus angle CEA is equal to 180 degrees. Angle CEA is equal to 180 degree minus 105 degrees. We will be getting 75 degrees. Okay. CEA. This angle is 75 degrees. If this angle is equal to 75 degrees, how can we find A? In cyclic quadrilateral, AEDB will be having angle AED plus angle ABD equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Now put the values. A plus 75 degree equal to 180 degree. Then what is A? A will be equal to 180 degree minus 75 degree, and that is 105 degrees. Okay. We got the value of A. A is equal to 105 degrees. Now the second we have to find B. How to find B? ABF. When you consider triangle ABF, we know the value of BAF. BAF is equal to 62 degrees. Also we know the measure ABF. ABF is angle A and that is equal to 105 degrees. We can find the value of B. Yes. Angle BAF plus angle ABF plus angle BFA is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Now put the values. BAF is 62 degrees. ABF is A and A we have determined, that is 105 degrees, plus B, BFA is B, that is equal to 180 degrees. 62 degree plus 105 degree, we get 167 degree, plus B is equal to 180 degree, and then B will be equal to 180 degree minus 167 degrees is equal to 13 degrees. B is equal to 13 degrees. Here we have B. The value of B is 13 degrees. Now we have to find C. The third one, we have to find C. How to find C? Here we have C. C is an exterior angle when you consider the cyclic quadrilateral AEDB. Yes, C is an exterior angle. We have a relation, right? Exterior angle will be equal to the interior opposite angle. So this is an exterior angle. C is an exterior angle and here the interior opposite angle is 62 degrees. Yes, BAE is the interior opposite angle. Therefore, we can write C is equal to 62 degrees. Reason, exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angle in a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, so we have found the values of A, B and C. A is equal to 105 degrees, B is equal to 13 degrees and C is equal to 62 degrees. Okay, sixth problem, question 23 of exercise 17C. In the figure below, AD is equal to BC, angle BAC is equal to 30 degree and angle CBD is equal to 70 degree. We have to find angle BCD. BCD. This whole angle, then BCA. BCA. This angle. ABC. ABC is ABC. This whole angle and ADB. ADB. This angle. Okay, what is given? In the question it is given that AD is equal to BC. Here we have AD and this is BC. They are the chords of the circle. Okay, then angle BAC is equal to 30 degrees. BAC, this angle is 30 degree and CBD. CBD. This angle is 70 degree. Angle CBD is equal to 70 degrees. So, in the first part of the question, we have to find angle BCD. Okay, where do we have BCD? BCD is this angle. Okay, to find this angle, if we know this angle, we can find this angle. Yes, this is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD, vertices of quadrilateral ABCD touches the circle, touches the points on circle. Therefore, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. We know for a cyclic quadrilateral, the sum of opposite angles will be equal to 180 degree. If we find this angle, we can find the angle BCD. Now, how to find this angle? Here, one part is 30 degree. We know this part is 30 degree. If we are able to find this part, then adding them, you will be getting BAD, angle BAD. Here, it is given that angle CBD is equal to 70 degree. What is the relation between CBD and DAC? Is there any relation between CBD and DAC? Yes, Here, when you consider this arc or this chord CD subtends angle CBD and CAD. Yes, therefore, the angle subtended by the same chord will be equal. Yes, therefore, since CBD is equal to 70 degree, we will be getting CAD also equal to 70 degree. Since angle CBD is equal to 70 degree, angle CAD is also equal to 70 degree. What is the reason? Angle subtended by same arc are equal. Same arc or the same chord or the angles in the same segment will be equal. Okay, this is the reason. So we got angle CAD 70 degrees. Okay, we know that angle BAD is equal to angle BAC plus angle CAD. Now put the values. Angle BAD is equal to BAC is given in the question, which is 30 degrees plus angle CAD. What is CAD? CAD is equal to 70 degrees. Okay, 30 plus 70 we get 100 degrees. Therefore, angle BAD, this whole angle is equal to 100 degrees. Okay, now we can find what BCD is. Yes, angle BCD plus angle BAD is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degrees. Okay, sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degrees. Now put the value. Angle BCD plus BAD we have determined, which is 100 degrees. 100 degree is equal to 180 degree, and therefore angle BCD is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree, that is 80 degrees. Okay, we get 80 degrees. This angle BCD is 80 degrees. Clear? Now to find the second angle, that is angle BCA. Where do we have BCA? BCA is this part. Okay. BCA is a part of angle BCD. Yes. From BCD, if you are able to subtract this ACD, we get BCA. Angle BCD is equal to angle BCA plus angle DCA. So we are going to find what DCA is. How to find DCA? Now, when you consider this figure, it is given that AD and BC are equal. Yes, AD is equal to BC is given in the question. Okay, for a quadrilateral, given the opposite sides are equal and these sides are the non-parallel sides. So this figure is a isosceles trapezium. ABCD is an isosceles trapezium. Okay, non-parallel sides are equal in length. Okay, then this AB and CD are the parallel sides. AB parallel CD. If AB is parallel to CD, then this AC is a transversal, right? When a transversal passes through the parallel lines, what happens? You will be having co-interior angles, then corresponding angles, alternate interior angles. Here 30 degree we have, this 30 degree and angle DCA are alternate interior angles. Therefore, the value of this angle will be 30 degree. Yes, angle DCA is equal to angle BAC. They are alternate interior angles. Therefore, the value of DCA is equal to 30 degree. If DCA is equal to 30 degree, then what is BCA? Angle BCA is equal to angle BCD minus angle DCA. Put the values. BCD. BCD we have determined is equal to 80 degrees. 80 degrees minus DCA. DCA. This angle is 30 degree. 30 degree which is equal to 80 minus 30, 50 degree. BCA. BCA. This angle is 50 degrees. Clear? Now, the next part, that is the third one, we have to find angle ABC. Where do we have ABC? ABC is this whole angle. Okay. Here what is given? Here this part. CBD is already given, that is 70 degree. Angle ABC is equal to angle ABD plus angle CBD. Okay. CBD is 70 degree. Yes. And ABC. ABC is what we have to find. To find ABC, we need one more angle, that is ABD. How to find ABD? When you consider this chord, that is AD. AD subtends angle DCA at this point and DBA at this point. Then their measure should be equal. Yes. Therefore, we can write angle DCA is equal to angle DBA. Okay. What is the reason? Angles subtended by same chord. Now put the value, you will be getting angle DBA or angle ABD is equal to 30 degrees. Okay. This part we get 30 degrees. Putting here, we get angle ABC is equal to ABD. ABD or DBA is equal to 30 degrees plus CBD. CBD given in the question, that is 70 degrees. 30 plus 70, we get 100 degrees. This whole angle is equal to 100 degrees. Okay. Now the fourth one, we have to find angle ADB. Where do we have ADB? ADB. When you consider this chord AB, ADB is an angle subtended by AB and ACB is also an angle subtended by AB. We know the measure of ACB or BCA. BCA we have found in the second part. Yes, BCA is equal to 50 degree. Therefore, ADB will also be equal to 50 degree. We have angle ADB equal to angle BCA, angles subtended by same chord. Angle subtended by same chord. Then what is the value of ADB? ADB is equal to BCA. BCA is 50 degree. 50 degrees. Clear? We have found the all four angles, that is BCD, BCA, ABC and ADB. Okay. Next, problem number 7, question 25 of exercise 17C. In the figure given, O is the center of the circle. Angle DAE is equal to 70 degree. Find, giving suitable reasons, the measure of BCD. Where do we have BCD? This is BCD. Okay. Second, BOD. BOD. This angle. And the third one, OBD. Where do we have OBD? OBD. Okay. So, the figure is clear. Here given that DAE. DAE is equal to 70 degree. First, let us find the measure of BCD. Is there any relation between BCD and DAE? BCDA is a cyclic quadrilateral. So, for a cyclic quadrilateral, we have exterior angle is equal to the interior opposite angle. Yes. So, this is an exterior angle. Opposite to BCD, we have BAD. And this BAD interior angle has an opposite exterior angle which is DAE. Okay. Therefore, the measure of DAE and BCD will be equal. Okay, therefore we have angle BCD is equal to angle DAE. What is the reason? Exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angle. Exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angle. Okay, therefore the measure BCD is equal to 70 degrees. BCD is 70 degrees. Now we have to find BOD, the second one. To find angle BOD. How to find BOD? You got the answer? Yes. It is very simple, right? When you consider this chord BD, BD subtends angle BCD on the circumference of circle and BOD at the center. Therefore, angle BOD will be equal to 2 times angle BCD. What is the reason? Angle subtended by an arc or a chord at the center is double the angle subtended on the circumference of circle, okay. Therefore, we have angle BOD equal to 2 times angle BCD. Put the value. Angle BOD is equal to 2 into BCD. BCD is 70 degrees. 2 into 70 degrees and that is equal to 140 degrees. Okay. Now the third one we have to find angle OBD. OBD. This angle. Okay. Now consider triangle OBD. When you consider the triangle OBD, we know the measure of angle BOD. BOD we have determined is 140 degrees. BOD is 140 degrees. Okay. What about these two angles? OBD and ODB. I am taking them as X. Why have I taken both as X? Because they will be equal. What is the reason? OB is the radius of circle and OD is also the radius of circle. Radius of circle will be of equal measures. Yes. So, OB and OD are equal. OB is equal to OD. Therefore, angles opposite to equal sides should also be equal. Opposite to OB, I am having ODB. Angle ODB will be equal to angle OBD. OBD is the angle opposite to side OD. OBD. And I am taking them as X. Okay. We have the sum of interior angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle BOD plus angle OBD plus angle ODB is equal to 180 degrees. BOD is 140. 140 degree plus X is equal to 180 degrees. 140 degree plus 2x is equal to 180 degrees, which implies 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree, and that is 40 degrees. 2x is equal to 40 degrees, then x is equal to 40 divided by 2 equal to 20 degrees. Okay, 20 degree is the value of x. Therefore, angle OBD. We have to find OBD. What is the value of OBD? OBD we have taken as x equal to 20 degrees. Okay. So, we have determined the three angles BCD, which we got 70 degrees, BOD 140 degrees and OBD 20 degrees. Understood? That's all for today. In today's class, we have solved many questions from exercise 17C. By this, we have completed this chapter. I'll be back in the next session with a new chapter. Until then, stay tuned to LearnoHub. LearnoHub free hai, par best hai. Thank you.